10 hard-boiled eggs benefits. Hard-boiled eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. Here are 10 key benefits. 1. Nutrient-rich, hard-boiled eggs are packed with essential vitamins, B12, D, and minerals, iron, zinc, supporting overall health. 2. High-quality protein, they provide all 9 essential amino acids, aiding in muscle repair and metabolic processes. 3. Brain health, rich in choline, eggs help with brain development and cognitive function, enhancing memory and learning. 4. Eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin in egg yolks protect against UV rays and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. 5. Weight management, the protein in eggs promotes satiety, helping to control calorie intake and manage weight. 6. Bone strength, vitamin D in eggs aids calcium absorption, maintaining strong bones and reducing osteoporosis risk. 7. Heart health, healthy fats and nutrients like folate and vitamin B6 in eggs support heart health by regulating homocysteine levels. 8. Skin and hair benefits, vitamins and minerals, especially biotin, promote healthy skin and hair. 9. Antioxidant properties, eggs contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. 10. Convenient and versatile, easy to prepare and portable, hard-boiled eggs are a versatile addition to any meal. Incorporating hard-boiled eggs into your diet provides lasting health benefits and enhances overall well-being. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.